everybody, welcome back. My name is Tasha and I am here today with my Mint Mongoose January jewelry unboxing. So stick around, we'll jump into that in just a minute. For those of you that are returning, welcome back. For those of you that are new here, my name is Tasha and typically on my channel I do all things makeup. I do unboxings, hauls, try-ons, but today we're actually going to be doing my only non-makeup box. I would love for you to subscribe to my channel and this way you'll be notified of all my future uploads. Without any more talk, let's go ahead and jump into January Mint Mongoose jewelry unboxing. So as always, it comes in my beautiful, or in this beautiful teal packaging. Again, I can't speak enough about Mint Mongoose and their branding and all of the things that they do, the little touches. So they typically send a little Werther's in the bag there, and then they always have it branded beautifully. So they have that teal ribbon around it with a Mint Mongoose wax stamp. Sorry, my brain froze there for a minute. And it really is a Mint Mongoose in the wax stamp. So that's the seal. And then they do include a beautiful card with a why we chose to do this month. So it says this month's set is inspired by 3 people very, very special to me. My grandma, grandpa, and sister. And it'll give you kind of a little story about why she chose to do that and why they're special. So let's go ahead and jump in and open this up. We are super sealed this time. Oh my goodness. I believe, and I could be wrong, I do follow her on Instagram, and my heart goes out to the business owner of Mint Mongoose. There are several tiers for her company. There is the one that I do, which is like $13.99. You get 3 jewelry products. Then there is another level that I believe is closer to $23, where you get 4 or 5 jewelry items. There are some add-ons with some t-shirts and things like that. But I do know that I saw on her Instagram recently that she was sick with COVID for a very long time and has lost several family members to COVID. So definitely heart goes out to her, definite prayers. COVID is just really draining everyone out right now. I know at work for sure it is a struggle. Again, teal packaging here, so let's go ahead and open. Sorry, it'll be noisy for a second. They always include little cards with a free, if you buy $40 or more, you get your next box free. And let's jump into these little things real quick. I like that they're packaged so well, but my fingers have a hard time opening them sometimes. So first thing here is a necklace. All of their products, oh, that's really pretty. So this is a beautiful sunflower on here. I know it's a little bit harder to see. We'll get closer in just a second. But it is a raised motif on this gold. One of the other things I really like about their necklaces is that it is always adjustable here. So you have several ones that you can do it to. And it does make a pretty long necklace. I do really like that. That is beautiful. Next thing that I see is earrings. And typically the earrings are kind of a mix, so that it can go with either necklaces, because typically what I get is 2 necklaces and a set of earrings, which I always like. So these earrings are cute, supposed to go with either necklace, so you can wear them, switch it out, and we'll put them in just a second. So they are just little oval shaped drops. There is a little texture to them, and so I'll put them on and we'll get closer in just a minute. They are just the hooks to kind of put right in. So there's one side so you can see it, and there's the other side. They are dainty and not huge, which I do really like. And then the last necklace here is kind of the statement piece, and I actually saw this on their Instagram page. It is a beautiful, beautiful color. If I can get into the bag. Okay. So next, a very big statement piece here. It is on a little bit of a shorter chain, and we do have that beautiful kind of a blue glass pendant right there. It is trimmed in gold all the way around, and it is raised, so it's not flat on one side, it's kind of domed on both sides. Again, a little bit of a shorter chain, but very, very pretty. So let's go ahead and get closer so you can see earrings and everything. Okay, so I'm closer. So the earrings are just beautiful little dainty drops. Again, there is just a little bit of texture there. I will hold up the blue pendant so you can see it a little closer. That glass, beautiful blue pendant. And then we're going to do the sunflower as well. And so the sunflower, we'll hold it right here. You can see is that raised motif there. It really is pretty. I do like this necklace a whole lot. I typically am not one, hang on, we'll get not so. I typically am not one that likes really huge jewelry pieces. So that pendant is beautiful, but probably not something that I'll wear on a consistent basis. But that sunflower, I love this. This would be something that I would wear with a shirt and a pair of jeans or something like that. It's just cute and I like it a lot. Definitely all of the products that I've gotten from Mint Mongoose are very high quality. I really enjoy the subscription. What do you guys think about Mint Mongoose? Is there another jewelry subscription that you really like? One that you would like me to try? Drop me a line and let me know. I'm definitely open to all kinds of options. Thank you guys so much for joining me today. I loved having you here. Please stay safe, stay happy, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.